Yeah, hi Vince, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your JukeBox, your laser in your JukeBox, and it's all working as it should be. So basically that's all sorted for you now. So yeah, basically the issue was the laser, of course. I've given it a good clean. It was a bit coked up, to be honest with you, so I've given it a clean as well. So I'll just turn this up for you so you can hear it. You should be able to hear that. My headphones are a bit crap, I need to sort them out. But yeah, so basically I've put a new laser in there for you. I've checked the micro switch, cleaned the cogs, as I said. I've checked the board for you. All seems good and working as it should do now. Like I say, replace the laser for you. You got a 6-month warranty on that, on the laser only, obviously. You know, if anything happens with that, we'll sort it out for you as soon as we can. So yeah, you know, just let me know when you get it back and you're all happy with it. I'll be very grateful. Cheers Vince, you have a great day, and that'll be in the post ASAP. Thank you.